Hi, welcome to Malvern. This type of renovation is the one that I'm most excited for all the time. It's a full home renovation and we really started at the front of the house. We are relocating the entrance and reconfiguring the space completely. So we are renovating the grand entrance, kitchen. The kitchen is being relocated from one section of the house to another. We're doing dining, family room as a part of the open plan kitchen. We're doing a beautiful new laundry. We're going to do a wine room off of the kitchen, which is really exciting. And we're going to do the bathroom downstairs with the master bedroom and walk-in wardrobe. We're going to do a master bedroom upstairs as well with an ensuite off of another walk-in wardrobe. There's 3 bedrooms upstairs with beautiful built-in wardrobes and a family bathroom upstairs as well. And then in the ground floor rumpus room, we're going to do a new family room in there, and that's going to be a really multi-purpose type of space, as well as a bathroom downstairs as well, which really is going to service that pool area. I'm so excited about this project because we get to show you every single step of the way whilst collaborating with some of the most incredible brands in the industry. We'll see you soon.